everyone and welcome back on the channel. In the previous episode we went scuba diving around one of the 7 pairs of volcanic origins situated in the wonderful waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea, Filicudi. Today, as long as the weather conditions are not the best to go sailing, we drop the anchor and we will learn how to prepare a proper meal on board. You might be surprised, but even if we are sailing around, we are absolutely not giving up good food. Every single day, we have recharging breakfasts, 2 main meals which are more than delicious, tasty snacks, and unforgettable aperitivi. You are not in Italy if you don't enjoy a good aperitivo. And on board, we are truly taking it very seriously, as almost every evening we sip our cocktails and eat the best food while being enchanted by the beauty of nature. We are extremely lucky as Migaloo offers not only a talented chef and sommelier, Federica Martinazzi, who loves to cook unforgettable food, cuddling our taste buds, but even our captain Massimo is a king in the kitchen. His specialty is the grill. We couldn't be luckier, and do you know why? Because this week on board there's also a special guest, Mrs. Nazarena, the mother of our captain, whom kindly teaches us some clever tricks about how to prepare food effortlessly, and she even delights us with her delicacies.
Eccoci qua! Lo chef stasera propone polpo.
Polpo croccante
Meraviglia.
sul letto di patatine, olive taggiasche, olive leccine e pomodori rosseggiati.
Fame, ho già fame.
I would love to show you all the dishes that Federica prepared for us, but in several occasions, I must admit we all were such enchanted and hungry that I didn't have the time to film, recording what she proposed in our dishes. But believe me, every single thing she prepares is absolutely delicious. Let's now get into the main topic of this video, how to cook on board. Federica is about to gift us a special cooking class on the catamaran. Something I adore about Migaloo is that it has a huge open kitchen which allows you to see how food is carefully prepared before it is served. If you resist and don't keep on jumping into the water, you can learn a lot about the real high-quality Italian food. Today, with only a few ingredients, Federica, with the precious help of Alessandro and of Mrs. Nazarena, will show us how to make 2 recipes that will make you look like a professional Italian chef.
Questa è una doppia preparazione, stiamo preparando zucchine ripiene di tonno e uova ripiene, quindi tutto con il tema tonno. Ale si appresterà a tritare i capperi.
Capo chef, su chef.
E poi unirà il tonno tritato. Nel frattempo abbiamo a cuocere le zucchine e le uova. L'acqua delle separate.
Which are the ingredients for these two recipes? Tuna fish, capers, zucchinis, eggs, mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, oil, salt, pepper, nutmeg, grated cheese. Ale is now dividing into two parts the tuna and capers he just mixed, as we are going to use the same ingredients for both recipes. In the meantime, Federica removed the eggs from the fire, and Mrs. Nazarena is going to show us how to easily cut and peel them. We need now to remove the yolks and add them to the mixture of tuna and capers, to which we also add some mayonnaise. The filling is now ready to be placed into the hard-boiled egg white. We cover the preparation with a plate and put everything in the fridge. In the meantime, Federica is cutting in 2 pieces the zucchinis and is emptying them. Their pulp goes in the bowl where there are capers and tuna. To them, she adds breadcrumbs, oil, salt, pepper, nutmeg and grated cheese. She now fills the zucchini, adds some more olive oil, grated cheese, and places them into the oven for 30 minutes at 180 Celsius degrees.
Ho fame!
Qualcuno ritrova Gio! Siamo pronti? Siamo in tavola?
Siamo in tavolissimo.
Andiamo! Andiamo!
Bambino stringa.
Cibo!
Prendiamo là.
Oli.
Questo non so perché l'ho messo.
Ti piace questo move? Le piace?
Mi segue te?
While we dance, have fun and eat good food, I tell you, see you in the next video, when I will show you the hidden places where our chef Federica buys delicious ingredients for her recipes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, share the video and hit the bell icon. See you next Monday. Ciao!
Li vedo nascosti là dietro.